Most people get real estate investing wrong. They think it's all about buying properties, buying land, building house, and dealing with tenants. But the truth is, there are other ways to invest in real estate without dealing with tenants, buying land, or even dealing with construction headaches. The secret: real estate investment trusts, or REITs as they call it. They are one of the most overlooked strategy of building wealth through in real estate investing, but yet they give you access to invest in real estate and reap the benefit of real estate without stressing over tenants or other property maintenance. In this video, we are going to discuss what REITs are, how you can start investing in REITs today in Nigeria. So stick with me to the end, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm an accountant with 15 years of experience in investing, and I discuss everything related to investing in Nigeria, especially for beginners. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get an update every time. When people talk about real estate, some of them imagine buying properties, building it, buying land, building it, fixing it up, and even putting a tenant in it. But what if I told you that there are simple ways to own properties like luxury hotels, shopping malls, office towers, apartment building, etc. without stress? That's exactly what REITs allow you to do. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income generating real estate. Here is how it works. They pull money from many investors, let's say you and me, use that money to buy properties, manage those properties professionally, and then share the profit with us in form of dividends. This means you earn passive income from real estate without investing in real estate physically. You can earn from REITs in two ways. You earn from dividends paying from the rental income and through capital appreciation as the value of REITs itself grow. Think of it like this: if you and me and every other person watching this video contribute money and buy a house in Victoria Island, let's say it's a office building, and let's say a bank rents it, or another different office, different people rent it. Yeah, they collect rent from those people and then share this money among all of us. Let's say we are 100. They share this money among all of us. If you invested 1,000 naira, they will share it and give you the, depending on how much you invest, the people that invested 10,000 will earn more than you that invested 1,000. That's exactly how REITs work, except that instead of one single building, is a portfolio of properties, which means it can be part of a, let's say, office, mall, and so on. So you may say, why will I even consider buying property that I can't see instead of buying physical property? Well, this may not be suitable for everybody, because if you don't have, to buy physical property, of course you will need millions of naira or thousands of dollars. But with REITs, you can invest with small money, very little money, you can start investing today. So here are some of the reasons why REITs may make sense to you. Number one is low barrier entry. So you can start with little money. You don't need to have millions of naira or thousands of dollars to invest in REITs. Number two is diversification. So instead of one property, you earn a lot. You will be earning income from a lot of properties, because this company invests in a different property. So you'll be earning the advantage of, let's say, investing in a mall, office, or whatever properties the company is investing in. The third one is no management stress. When you invest in REITs, you don't have to go through the stress of checking if the tenant has paid, if the property is depreciating, if you have to maintain anything. General maintenance, you don't have to stress about that. And finally, liquidity. Unlike physical property, selling your share in REIT companies, one of the easiest. It's very liquid, because we all know that if you put your property up for sale now, it will take months and months, or even take years before you can get a good person that will buy it, before you can make profit out of what you invested. But with REITs, you can just tell them that you want to sell your share, and within sell your unit, and within a few days your money is already in your account. There are two main types of REITs. The first one is equity REIT. These people, they buy properties and then rent it out, then collect rent and give you dividends. The second one is mortgage REITs. They don't own property, but instead they lend money to developers so that they can then, the money they lend to developers, the developers will use the money to build and then pay them interest. So this from the interest that you will be giving a dividend. There is also difference between public traded REITs and private REITs. Public traded REITs are listed on the floor of stock exchange, while the private REITs are not traded. They require a minimum entry investment. Here are three main REITs that are currently being traded in Nigeria, although the market is still developing. We have UPDS REITs that focus on residential and commercial properties in Lagos and Abuja. Then we have SFS REITs. Sky Shelter Fund they invest in office building, malls, hotel, warehouse and residential properties. We have Union Home REITs, primarily focus on residential home in Lagos and Abuja. All these REITs are listed in the floor of Nigeria Stock Exchange. Apart from Nigerian REITs, you can also invest in the US REITs. The best way to invest in US REITs is to invest in ETF. They are just a basket of REITs company that deals in real estate. There are so many ones you should consider. In Nigeria, it's easier now to buy both US stocks and ETF. So you can go to some of these apps that allow you to trade US stock in Nigeria. Most of them have access to US ETFs. So you just go through it, make research about the particular one you want, and then you invest in it. When selecting REITs, here are some of the things you should consider. The first one is dividend yield. Having higher yield means more income, but be cautious if it looks too good to be true. The second one is property portfolio. The third one is debt level. Too much debt is risk. Check their debt to equity ratio. A consistent growth and regular dividend. So you need to look out for their past performance as well. It's true that they say past performance does not necessarily mean that the future performance does not guarantee maybe profit or future performance. But the truth is, when you check their track record, you will know how far they have been performing for over the years and know whether to get on board with them or not. Let's talk about risk. REITs are not risk-free. There are no investment. There's no investment that is 100% risk-free, but REIT has its own risk. Property value can drop during a market downturn. Poor management, for instance, if the management of the company are not good with what they are doing, you can lose your money. Interest rate changes can also affect a mortgage rate. As a beginner, I would say you should stick with a publicly traded REITs with a great track record. So if to invest in Nigerian REITs, you need to register with a stockbroker. Look for a stockbroker of your choice, and then you open an account. They will give you CS account, all those things. Set up an account with a stockbroker, and then you can start investing. It's very easy these days, and you can start with little money. And for US stock, you need to look for all these apps that allows you to invest in US stock, like Truth, Bamboo and the rest. Just do your research and make sure that the app is reliable, the platform is reliable, and then you can start investing in REIT ETF. REITs give you a powerful way to invest in real estate without owning a physical property. So whether you are in Nigeria or abroad, this is another investment where it can give you a diversification if you already own every other investment. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.